let's load it up real quickly and then let's Hi there folks, you're watching the BlackPowderShooter 44 channel. Today I got out the Remington New Model Army Revolver, otherwise known as the 1858 Remington, and we're going to be shooting it. And it's been a while since I made a video just on reviewing this gun. It's been in, quite a few videos, but it's been a couple years since I reviewed it. It was actually one of the first videos I made was a review on this gun. So let's load it up real quick and then let's just go shoot it. Alright, so we're going to get the Remington loaded up real quick, and I just took the cylinder off the gun to make it easier. Got some, actually using 457 round balls, which I usually like 451s or 454s, but I just got some of these here, so I'm going to use them. They work fine. It's a little oversized. That's okay. There they are there. And some homemade wads. If you haven't seen my video on how to do that, go check that out. Got this flask here, and it's got a spout for about 30 grains of 3F Pyrodex. I'll pour it into the chamber. Actually, I'm going to pour it into all chambers, or every chamber here, all 6. Starting to run out of daylight here a little bit, so hopefully I could get a good 4 or 5 cylinder pulls in before it gets too dark. Next, I'm going to put a wad over the chamber. These are lubricated with Gatafoa #1 lubricant recipe. Holds up pretty well, which good thing I had the wads on there, right? This is a powder incorporated cylinder loading stand. I'm just going to press the wads down real quick. You don't really have to do this, but I'm just going to go ahead and do that. Okay, sorry, I had to change the angle a little bit because not having a C-clamp to attach the loader down onto makes it a little hard to seat the balls into the cylinder, so I don't really want to reach it around the camera. Just push them down there, leaves a nice ring of lead, and I'm going to do it off all 6 chambers, and we'll go cap it up and go shoot it. Alright, so the first thing I want to shoot is that paper target down there. It's about 12 to 15 yards, and we're just going to see what kind of grouping we could get. We're going to be shooting one-handed, so let's see what we could do. Alright, a little hard to see through the smoke, but that's okay. Let's go check it out. Alright, here we go. Got a nice cluster here. Wasn't too happy with those, but hey, it is what it is. You can see where a wad hit right there. Alright, let's go load up the gun again and shoot some steel. Alright, so we got the Remington loaded up again. Let's go shoot some steel down there. Yeah. That certainly wasn't my best shooting. Well, I'm going to see if I can't do a little bit better, because I'm not happy about that last cylinder full. So, got the Remington loaded up again. Let's bring up the steel. Okay, that cylinder had, this was my second cylinder. It had a little bit of oil in it or something, because those shots were a little delayed. Okay, I heard one hit the, at least grazed the far target, but finally got all the closer ones, so that makes me feel better. Can't blame it on the gun though. Alright, so I hear that that shaving cream has some sensitive skin. Let's see if that's true. Alright, so they knocked each other over a couple times. Oh, that was awesome. I had one come right back at me. It landed right down over here. Hopefully when I replay the GoPro footage you could see. But that thing jumped right back at me. I must apologize. I didn't have my earplugs on for the first couple shots, so my bad. Alright, so it looks like it wants to get dark on me, so we're going to wrap up the video. We just got done shooting the Remington New Model Army. I got it here in this homemade holster. I don't know if you can see this. Made this myself. Doesn't really match my gun belt, but hey, that's okay. Anyway, we had a good time shooting this gun. Shot 3 cans of shaving cream. Looks like it snowed down there. It's awesome. It's about 90 degrees right now, so looks a little weird. Anyway, thanks for watching, folks. If you liked the video, please leave a like and subscribe. Until next time, have a great day.